Gohan, you know the deal, right?
Yeah. No energy blasts or flying, right?
That's right. We have to move undetected.
I think I can handle this.
Try not to fire off any power blast. Okay, Gohan?
Right.
How are we supposed to take on that stubby guy and his friends? I mean, come on!
Yeah, what do we do? I think I can handle this.
If those guys get their hands on the Dragon Balls, we're in big trouble!
We won't be able to bring Mr. Piccolo and the others back. Lucky! Wow, this energy's incredible. I think I can handle this. Look really strong.
Try not to fire off any power blasts. Okay, Gohan?
Right.
Okay, we're almost there.
Yeah.
What's going on down there? They look just like Kami and Piccolo. They must be Namekians!
First, introductions. I am Freeza. I'm looking for the Dragon Balls. And if I'm not mistaken, I do believe one of them can be found here.
We don't have anything like that. It takes a great deal of courage to lie to me with a power level like yours.
That device, that must be how they're able to find what few villages are spread across the planet.
Oh, you know, the other elders were all too willing to provide me the information I need.
Willing? That's impossible.
Well, they did require some convincing. Zabon, show how persuasive we can be.
Sir.
Perhaps you understand now. If you insist on being this difficult, those young ones over there will be the next to die.
They're monsters!
How terrible!
What do you intend to do with the Dragon Balls?
Why, I'll make a wish, of course. Nothing too extravagant, mind you. Just immortality.
Even if these monsters manage to gather the Dragon Balls, they still might not be able to make their wish. I suppose we have no choice, but promise me one thing. Promise me you won't lay a hand on the children.
Of course. Mind you, you could have saved yourself all this trouble by doing this sooner.
Now, take this and be gone.
While I have you, perhaps you can tell me something. Say the location of the 2 remaining Dragon Balls. If memory serves, you need 7 of them to make a wish, isn't that right?
Don't be ridiculous. We Namekians are not in the business of endangering our own kind.
And just when I thought you were less foolish than the rest, I suppose I have no other recourse but to kill you and the children.
Get out of here, Dende! Now!
Right!
You! Our scouters! Now you won't be able to hunt us down anymore!
You're all dead!
Those monsters!
It's not much fun killing small fries like you. But you gotta die sooner or later. What? Who the hell are you?
I'm gonna make you pay for what you did!
Gohan! Even if we take them together, these guys are way out of our league! Your jets, Gohan! Completely lost it! Gohan, we gotta catch him off guard and run! Now's our chance! Hurry!
Huh? Right!
Doria! Don't let them get away!
Punch it, Gohan! If he catches us, we're goners!
Right!
No use! They're faster than us! He's gaining! Wait, that's right! Here, Gohan, take the kid!
Okay!
Don't look directly at me! Take this! Solar flare!
Yeah! My eyes! I can't see!
All right, it worked! Gohan, hide!
What? Oh, right!
You little twerps! Where the hell you go?
We're safe!
All right, we need to head back to Bulma fast! Hey, can you fly?
Oh, yes. Thank you for saving me. So, what's your name? I'm Dende.
One of Freeza's goons is on the move. This energy, is that the Doria? This is perfect. I can more than handle him all by myself. Taking on Freeza now would be downright suicidal. I have to plan my next moves carefully. Crushing that cloud is my top priority. I'd better not leave this place. For starters, I'll make short work of Dodoria. Easy prey. This one might provide a challenge. Easy prey. You'd better give it your all. Yourself! Impressive! You actually held your own against the mighty Vegeta! That was hardly a challenge. Well now. Ooh, what is this power? Useless. That's about right. I fail to see why this is a challenge for some. Useless. That's about right. I fail to see why this is a challenge for some. Easy prey.
Vegeta!
Hey there! It's been quite some time, Dodoria. I've waited for you to foolishly leave Freeza aside. Knocking you around should be easy enough without Freeza here.
You think you're hot stuff, don't you? Do yourself a favor. Shut up and just hand over that scouter of yours. Do that and I'll let you live just this once.
Is that so? You went completely radio silent during your attack on the Namekian village, which can obviously mean only one thing. You've lost every single one of your scouters, haven't you? How perfect! Now I can make my way over there unnoticed. You want this, don't you?
I guess you're not as dumb as you look, Vegeta. What are you doing? Why did you break it? You idiot! Don't you realize you're not going to be able to find the Namekians without it?
I recently spent some time on a planet called Earth. Believe it or not, they don't require scouters in order to sense power. There was another Saiyan there as well, and he also knew how to use that technique. Which means an elite like myself should easily master it.
That's it then, isn't it? Those little runts I was after, they were Earthlings. What are you doing, teaming up with those punks?
What? Earthlings? What the hell are you talking about? There's no way Earthlings could be out here. Enough of this nonsense. Stop wasting time and come at me already. I see what's going on here. You've come to realize just how much stronger I've gotten, and now you're too afraid to fight me. You saw my power level on your scouter before, didn't you?
That number wasn't accurate. My scouter was busted.
What are you so afraid of? Go on, try and attack me!
Who do you think you are? You're not better than me!
Got a gun! We Saiyans grow stronger with every battle we fight. The stronger the opponent is, the stronger we come after the fact. My near-death experience on Earth greatly increased my power. That's what it means to be a mighty Saiyan warrior! Prepare yourself!
Now I'm pissed! I'm gonna blow you to pieces!
Can't believe it! Believe it! Prepare yourself! Don't you see? This is what happens when you get too cocky and slack off! If you ever resurrect, pray to something worthy! Prepare yourself! Got a gun! Got a gun! Get away!
Wait! Vegeta! If you let me go, I'll let you in on a little secret. But it ain't so little. It's a big one. It's about the home of your people. It's about planet Vegeta.
What? What is it? Spit it out!
You've probably heard all this before. How planet Vegeta was destroyed by some huge meteor, right? But that's not the truth. What happened is a bunch of crazy strong Saiyans like yourself started cropping up all over the place. And the more powerful they got, the more they didn't see the point in following orders from anybody. Lord Freeza lost trust in you guys, and because of that, he felt he needed to lay down the law. And oh, did he! Lord Freeza ended up not just destroying planet Vegeta, but every single Saiyan himself. But you know, Vegeta, you should be grateful. Lord Freeza saw a lot of potential in you, too much to waste, so he made sure to destroy the planet when you weren't there. I bet that was a lot to take in, huh?
You're wrong about that, Dodoria. I couldn't care less about my planet, my comrades, or even my parents. But what infuriates me to no end is how I let myself be used all this time by bastards like you! Thinking about it makes me sick to my stomach!
Lord Freeza!
Frieza's terrified of the limitless potential of a Saiyan's power. If what I heard on the Scouter is to be believed, then all 7 Dragon Balls are needed in order to make a wish come true. First, I'll get my hands on the 2 remaining Dragon Balls. No, 1 should be more than sufficient. If I can hide even just one of them, Frieza and his lackeys won't be able to make their wish a reality. Then all I have to do is wait until their guard is down and steal the rest of them.
We're finally back.
Well, you guys certainly took your time, didn't you?
Took your time.
Huh? Who's the pocket-sized Piccolo? Oh, he's Namekian, isn't he? What's your name, little guy?
Yes, my name is Dende.
Huh. It looks like you guys have been through a lot. Oh yeah, that's right! I've got great news from my dad.
Really? That's great!
Goku's on his way here as we speak. He should arrive in about 6 days. And I hear he's toughening himself up. My dad's coming? Hooray! Yahoo!
6 days remained until Goku
Goku would arrive on planet Namek.
Goku! Can you hear me, Goku? Wait. Huh? Where are you? Are you in space? Oh, that's right! You're heading to Namek. Good luck finding the Dragon Balls!
Wait a minute. You mean you don't know what's going on? There's some crazy stuff going down on Namek.
Crazy stuff? Well, we can talk about that later. I've actually got some guests here with me. In fact, it's 4 people you know quite well.
Wait, you don't mean...
They've asked me to train them even harder than I trained you.
Hey, Goku, you hear me? We met up with Kami in the other world, and he told us all about this place.
You said there's 4 of them there, right? So that's Yamcha, Tien... Wait, is Piccolo there too?
I'm not about to let you be the only one that gets stronger in all of this.
Chaozu's here with us too. Kami pulled some strings and let us have our bodies back so we can train here. Pretty cool of him, huh?
That's awesome! Glad to hear it! I'm doing a bit of training myself on the way to Namek. I had my spaceship customized to simulate 100 times gravity for some extra intense training. But if I don't get stronger in the next 5 days, I'm gonna be in some pretty big trouble.
You mentioned that before. What exactly is going to happen? What?
Whoa, hold on. You mean there's someone out there that's stronger than Vegeta?
Wait, you're not talking about Freeza, are you?
Beats me. I didn't hear anything about a Freeza. You know him, King Kai?
Listen, Goku. If it's actually Freeza, then stay far away from him! Get on his bad side and you're begging for trouble! I'm telling you, not just for your own safety, but for the safety of Earth, Namek, and every other planet in the universe!
Is he really that strong? I kinda wanna meet him now.
Do not go anywhere near him! You hear me?
I'm looking for some sort of elder. I'm here to retrieve the Dragon Ball. Battle for the Dragon Ball.
Krillin, did you feel that?
Yeah. A bunch of energy just started disappearing.
Really? More Namekians are being killed!
And the one doing the killing has a very familiar energy. It's Vegeta! Now it's not just Freeza we gotta worry about wishing for immortality, but Vegeta too!
If we can find one of the Dragon Balls and hide it, neither of them will be able to make their wish. But they'll just continue killing Namekians until they find all the Dragon Balls!
No! Who are you people? Where did you come from? And how do you know about the Dragon Balls? Please, if you can, save my people!
Yeah, about that.
Well, if you already know, I think I understand what's going on now. Come on, follow me. I'll take you to see Grand Elder Guru.
Huh?
Grand Elder Guru? Why are we headed there?
Those monsters that attacked our villages already have 4 Dragon Balls. Not only that, didn't you say that there are more people being killed over there?
Yeah, I think I know who did it. Vegeta.
Their energy, it's all gone. There's no one left.
Then that means there aren't many Namekians left on this planet.
Oh man. Even if we find the Dragon Ball in the village that Vegeta attacked, that still leaves one! Wait, does Grand Elder Guru have the last Dragon Ball?
Yes!
Not good! If Vegeta reaches him before us, he'll get his hands on the 7th Dragon Ball!
We have to hurry and let Guru know!
I'll go with Dende. Gohan and Bulma, you two wait here. There's no point in all of us going, okay?
Right. Be careful, you guys.
So this must be a Dragon Ball. Fascinating. It must be kept safe. Time to hide it. No one could possibly find it as long as it remains at the bottom of this lake. If it's true that Freeza and his worms have 5, that means just 1 is left out there. This power. It's Zarbon. I'm sure of it. It would appear that he's finally off that leash of his. He'll be joining Dodoria soon enough. In hell. In my current state, Zarbon is no match for me. All I need to do now is finish off the rest of Freeza's pathetic goo. Well, now. Fortune's finally smiling upon me. Dragon Balls are mine. Well, now. Useless. That's about right. I fail to see why this is a challenge for some.
You'd better not be up to no good again.
Tian!
I bet I could give you a run for your money.
Oh, is that so?
Hey, now, I said...
Time to head back. It's close. Easy prey. We wouldn't have to split up and find the villagers if we just had our scouters. Well, look at that! If it isn't Zarbon! You know, I ran into your friend Dodoria earlier. He's super dead, and soon you will be. What? You beat Dodoria? So that's why he never came back. I can't believe this. I hear you lost all your precious scouters and had to split up to look for Namekian villages. Which can only mean Freeza's holding on to the Dragon Balls you have taken so far. Damn you. Freeza will not get his dirty hands on all of them. I'll make sure of it. I've already found one myself, and the others are as good as mine. What? Take mortality. Freeza's as good as dead. You fool. It won't be enough to bench Lord Freeza. Prepare yourself! Out of the battles I fought, afforded me some of the greatest power! You still don't get it, do you? Lord Freeza's power is beyond anything you could ever imagine. Got it, gun! After all that, you couldn't lay a finger on me! You've improved. I'll give you that much at least. But you don't seem to realize the mistake you've just made. You have awakened my true power. You've got quite a sense of humor. Go on, show me your power! You are going to regret this, Vegeta. Prepare to be amazed by my glorious transformation! Damn you! You must feel pretty foolish. You went to all that trouble to grow stronger, and for what? Nothing. And here's something else you probably didn't know. Lord Freeza also hides his true power behind transformations. Oh, he passed out. I'm afraid I can't let you die just yet. I still have a lot to ask you. I can't believe I'm actually providing aid to a traitor like you. Once you're fully conscious, you're going to tell me where you've hidden the Dragon Ball.
There it is! That's Guru's house!
That's it?
Hey, Nail! You're okay!
I'm glad to see you're safe, Dende. Grand Elder Guru is aware of your situation. You two may enter. Grand Elder Guru will see you now.
He's huge!
Welcome, young Earthling. I understand I have you to thank for saving my little Dende here. My gratitude.
Well, I really didn't do much.
It pains me that most of my children on this planet have fallen victim to such vile invaders. I had no idea the Dragon Balls, the very symbols of Namekian wisdom and power, could cause such strife.
Forgive me for cutting straight to the chase, but do you think I could borrow the one that you got right there? Look, I won't let the bad guys get their hands on it. I promise!
I'd like him to have it as well. If the Earthlings get the Dragon Balls, they can wish for theirs to return to Earth.
What? there are Dragon Balls on Earth as well. Is, or was, there a Namekian there?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I remember hearing about one coming to Earth in order to flee some sort of crisis here on Namek.
It must have been Kata's child. Truthfully, I'm surprised the child was able to survive the journey. If memory serves me, he was a gifted member of the Dragon Clan, the creators of the Dragon Balls. But how is it he met his end? Did he die of natural causes, or was he killed?
He was killed. By someone here on Namek, a Saiyan named Vegeta.
Young Earthling, please step forward. I would like to look into your past.
Huh? My past?
My goodness! He split himself in two to combat the evil in his own heart? How foolish! To reduce such extraordinary potential is such a waste. If he had remained as one, he might not have met with such a horrible fate.
Remained? As one? Wait, does that mean if Kami and Piccolo rejoin, Piccolo will get his power back?
Very well. I can see that your intentions are pure, and that you have exhibited great bravery thus far. I will entrust this Dragon Ball to you. However, you might not be able to make your wish.
What do you mean?
Unfortunately, I am not long for this world. I have perhaps only a few days left. Do you think you can reclaim the remaining Dragon Balls from those horrible fiends? As strong as you are, I fear that might prove impossible. Once I am gone, the Dragon Balls will cease to exist.
I see. Well, I guess we'll just have to do what we can. I'll keep the Dragon Ball, and I'll guard it with my life.
I appreciate it. I must say, you seem to possess a great deal of strength for an Earthling. But much of it lies dormant and unrealized. How unfortunate. Allow me to release the power resting deep inside you.
What are you talking about? There's no way I'm hiding any more power. I mean, I'm already pushing myself to the limit. Where did all this power come from? Yeah! I've never felt this kind of power before! This is incredible! Wait. Would it be okay if I brought a friend of mine here to see you? I bet he's got more untapped power than me hidden inside of him.
Yes, please bring him here. We could use another ally in the fight for justice.
Okay, I'll be right back with him. Now, wait here, Dende. I'm gonna go get Gohan, okay?
All right. Be careful.
Hey, Gohan! According to the radar, the Dragon Ball over there is on the move! It's heading straight for us! Do you think it's Krillin on his way back?
I bet it is!
But, these 5 here are probably the ones that Freeza got.
Wait, that's the village we hut. Vegeta isn't there. I don't sense his energy anywhere near it.
Oh, I think I get it. He attacked the village, but he didn't find the Dragon Ball.
Let me borrow the radar, Bulma. I'm going to go find that Dragon Ball. Okay,
to go! Hey! Actually... Thank you so much! Perfect! Now's my chance! I'm not sensing any scary... Counting on you, Junior! I think I can handle this. Here I go! Do what I can. All right. I did my best. All right. I actually caught a fish.
Pathetic!
What?
I don't think so. Let's see. Huh? Huh? Yay! What? Huh? I have to hurry. I think I can handle this. Here I How's that? Look really strong. Take you down. I actually won. Hi. I have to hurry. What? Right. Hi! Thank you! Goodbye! I need to work harder. Goodbye! Let's see. It should be right around here. There's no one left alive. How terrible! This is awful. The village is in ruins. Got to find that Dragon Ball. Wait, it's not in a house? Yay, I found it! But what was it doing in a place like that? Maybe the villagers were in a rush to hide it.
What was that explosion just now?
It can't be.
He's not in the recuperation tank. Damn that Vegeta! Where could he be?
Find him, Zarbon! Find him now!
Aha! The Dragon Balls! Looks like 5 of them are here. And I can't leave this place without all 5 of them. Looks like time isn't on my side either. Great, going to have to buy myself some time here. Ha! There we go. Now it's my turn.
That filthy Saiyan monkey! Vegeta appears to be after the Dragon Balls! The Dragon Balls!
Damn that Vegeta!
This is inexcusable! You will scour this entire planet and find that traitor! If after 1 hour's time you do not return to me with Vegeta, know that your death will be a slow and painful one!
Oh, yes, sir.
It pains me to say, but it appears Saiyans are capable of more than I initially thought. They seem to grow stronger with each battle they manage to survive. They can't hope to reach my superior level, of course. Still, it might prove prudent to finally rid myself of them once and for all. It would be quite bothersome if I had to deal with a Super Saiyan. It seems it may be time to call the Ginyu Force.
Here they are. Yes, yes, I'm untouchable! This is what you get, Freeza! Your Dragon Balls are finally mine! Now that I have these and the one that I hid underwater, that leaves just 1 to collect, then I'll have all 7! This huge power, is that Zarbon?
Great! I had no idea I had this kind of power! I bet I can make it back to Gohan in no time at all! Oh man, I bet Gohan's gonna get way stronger than me when he meets Guru!
The little runt from Earth? Why is he on Namek? And he's holding the very last Dragon Ball as well! Seems fortune is smiling quite favorably on yours truly today! Oh, damn that Vegeta! Where did he go? If I don't find him soon, Lord Freeza will have my head! Wait, that... Oh, I finally found you, Vegeta! A huge power level is on its way here. I guess Zarbon found me. Good. Once I get that Dragon Ball off the pint-sized Earthling, I'll finish him off once and for all. Zarbon's probably quite full of himself after the last encounter. Which means his guard should be down. One thing at a time. First, I have to get my hands on that Dragon Ball. If I go much farther, I'll lose track of that Earthling. There's no time to waste. next here. Face! Someone is as good as dead! Damn you! Prepare yourself!
Bulma, I told you to hide! It's not safe for you!
Is that a Dragon Ball? Wow, those things are huge here.
Yeah, I got it from Guru. He's a remarkable person. Oh yeah, that's right. Where's Gohan? I want to take him to see Guru to increase his power level.
He left to go look for the other Dragon Ball. The radar showed one in the village Vegeta attacked before.
What? Really? What the? This power? No way! Vegeta!
You're a long way from home, Earthling.
Oh no. I was so focused on my increase in power that I didn't notice him. He's not wearing a scouter. And that means he must have learned how to sense power levels without one.
That's a nice Dragon Ball you've got yourself there. It would appear that you and I are after the same thing. Fortunately for you, I have some business to take care of before I take it. But I'd think twice before doing something stupid like running away if I were you.
Huh?
There you are. Well, well. You've got some nerve, Vegeta. Thanks to your foolish actions, Lord Freeza has lost faith in me. If you don't give me the location of the Dragon Balls this instant, I'll just have to beat it out of you. You're welcome to try. You never learn, do you? He's let his guard down. There's nowhere to run, Vegeta! Prepare yourself! Prepare yourself! Look at you! You're already running steam! Oh, Saruman, I sincerely hope you're ready for your trip to hell. Don't make me laugh! Don't be absurd! I have far more power than a savage like you! You have no hope of beating me! You're forgetting you're up against the Saiyans! Don't underestimate me! Take this! Big ol'! How dare you! Got it, got Remember when I clung to life by a thread? I bet you regret healing me now, don't you? Something to keep in mind. We Saiyans grow stronger every time we're brought to the brink of death.
Oh yeah. That's right. Goku keeps getting stronger after each one of his fights.
So, Baldy, what's it going to be? You forking over that ball, or am I taking it?
Okay, if I give this to you, do you promise just to take it and leave?
Fine, why not? There's no point in wasting my time with small fries like you once I have the Dragon Ball. Finally, I will be the one to rule over the universe, not that foolish Freeza. Immortality will be mine!
We can't just let him have all 7 Dragon Balls. Come on, Gohan, we're counting on you. Whatever you do, don't let Vegeta find you.
hope Krillin and Bulma are okay. Better hurry. Gotta make sure no one sees me, though. Better pick up my speed. No, not this way. This one has 4 stars. It's just like the one I wore on top of my hat. I probably shouldn't fly too far. Wow, the Dragon Balls here sure are huge. Someone's coming! Vegeta! I have to hurry up and hide. Where to hide? Where to hide?
Where did this power come from all of a sudden? It's gone. What's going on here? Who's there? If you don't show yourself right now, I'll reduce this place to ashes!
Wait! It's only me!
Well, if it isn't Kakaroto's little brat.
That's a Dragon Ball! Wait, where did you get that?
It was a gift from that follically challenged friend of yours.
Krillin? You killed him, didn't you?
No, he's alive. But I'd be more than willing to fix that if you'd like.
Huh?
And I think I'll let you live. Luckily for you, I'm feeling generous now that I've got all the Dragon Balls.
All of them? Oh,
Curious, what's that you've got in your hand there?
oh, this? It's a watch!
With such primitive technology, I'm surprised you Earthlings managed to make it to a remote planet like this. If you're here, then that must mean Kakarot's here too.
No, he isn't!
Oh, I see. That's too bad. When you get back to Earth, tell Kakarot something for me. The next time we meet, I'm going to turn him and his precious planet into space dust!
Oh, that was close! Krillin!
Gohan!
Krillin, look! Look what I found!
Way to go, Gohan! We knew you could do it!
Great job, Gohan!
We better get out of here, and quickly. Vegeta now knows where to find us.
Yeah, I know. I ran into him not too long ago.
What?
Fortunately, I was able to hide this ball well enough that he didn't find it.
Oh man, you're one lucky kid, you know that?
That's enough. Let's get out of here.
It's not here! Impossible! It's a straight shot from where that brat was to here and where the Earthling was before. But how? How did he find it? That device he was holding. That wasn't a watch! Damn that little maggot! He took what is rightfully mine and will pay with his life! No! They're gone! Those damn Earthlings, they have no idea who they're messing with! It's only a matter of time before they come after the 6 Dragon Balls I have at my disposal. And when they do, I'll make them regret ever having crossed me!
Krillin and the others were able to secure one of the Dragon Balls from Guru, but it was quickly stolen by Vegeta. But thanks to Gohan's quick thinking, they were able to prevent Vegeta from getting his hands on all 7 of them. In order to avoid Vegeta's wrath, the trio had to find a new place to hide. Krillin then made his way back to Guru with Gohan in tow. Frieza's ace up his sleeve. The Ginyu Force.
No way!
What?
What's up?
Give me a break.
No.
Hey, now!
Huh? Yeah.
Okay, go for it! I think I might be hungry.
Let's get some grub.
Hey! I'll do what I can. I did my best. All right! I actually caught a fish! What? Hi! turned out okay. Let's see.
Hey!
What? No.
Yep.
Wow.
What's up?
Let's see.
No.
Yep.
Huh?
Let's see.
Bye.
Let's see. Do you think I have as much power as Vegeta hidden inside me?
Ready for a real challenge? Solar flare! You're kidding me! Feels great to win.
pathetic! Say your prayers.
Okay. Here I come! Oh my! What?
I don't think so!
Thanks.
Wow.
Yep. No, no. Yep. Bye.
Got it!
Need food. I need to nibble on something.
I think I can handle this. Probably shouldn't fly too far.
Hang in there, Gohan. It's not much longer till we reach Guru.
Right!
Gohan,